10 reasons why the Egypt pyramids terrify scientists. One of the most recognizable and enduring images of ancient civilization is the pyramids of Egypt, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza. Historians, archaeologists, and scientists have been enthralled with these colossal constructions for centuries. But beneath their majesty are a plethora of mysteries that even experts can't seem to solve. In this video, we will show you 10 reasons why these ancient structures terrify scientists. Number 10. Construction techniques remain unsolved. Historians, archaeologists, and engineers have disagreed passionately over the construction of the pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is veiled in mystery. The exact techniques used to move and put together the enormous blocks of granite and limestone are still unknown, even after much research. There are several theories that explain how the stones are moved into position, such as using levers, counterweights, or even straight or circular ramps. Some researchers speculate that these techniques may have been used in combination. Still, no solid proof has surfaced to support any one technique as the main construction method. Because it raises fundamental questions about the resourcefulness and ingenuity of ancient humans, this lack of clarity terrifies scientists. It makes us wonder what was feasible in the absence of contemporary equipment and tools, which make us feel uneasy about how much more we still don't know about the abilities of our ancestors. Number 9. Massive scale and precision. Built between 2580 and 2560 BCE during the 4th dynasty, the Great Pyramid of Giza is a marvel of architecture made up of roughly 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 and 15 tons. It is incredible how precisely these blocks were cut, moved, and put together. The pyramid's base is level within a few centimeters all around its large 13-acre footprint. Such accuracy suggests not only highly developed engineering abilities, but also a sophisticated, far ahead of its time understanding of geometry and measurement. Scientists find this level of precision frightening because it makes them face their own ignorance about antiquated technologies and procedures. The scale and accuracy cast doubt on accepted narratives about human progress and inspire wonder and fear at the abilities of ancient civilizations that accomplished such enormous feats without the use of modern instruments or methods. Number 8. Hidden chambers and mysteries. The Great Pyramid has undiscovered and poorly understood hidden voids that have been exposed by recent technological advances. Researchers may have undiscovered chambers containing artifacts or inscriptions that could provide important insights into ancient Egyptian life, beliefs, and practices. Methods such as muon tomography have made it possible to identify these voids without the need for intrusive excavation. Scientists are terrified that such discoveries could occur because they have the potential to drastically change our knowledge of Egyptian history and culture. Every new discovery adds to the body of knowledge regarding the purposes and significance of these structures to the people who constructed them. The possibility that important secrets are hidden behind these old walls adds a sense of mystery to current investigations as experts consider the possible consequences of future discoveries. Number 7. The workforce dilemma. Although it was widely accepted for many years that slave labor was used to build the pyramids, mounting archaeological evidence points to the possibility that a skilled labor force was involved in their construction. Worker cemeteries near Giza have been excavated, and the findings show that laborers were not treated like slaves, but rather were grouped into teams and given proper nourishment, healthcare, and even burial customs. This change in knowledge poses important queries concerning the social structures of ancient Egypt and the efficient management of such massive undertakings over many years, if not centuries. Historians attempting to piece together the dynamics of ancient civilizations may find the implications concerning labor relations, social hierarchy, and community organization to be unsettling. It calls into question accepted ideas about the balance of power in ancient societies and compels scholars to reevaluate the division of labor in one of the most famous built-in projects in history. Number 6. Environmental impact concerns. Egypt's environment was probably greatly impacted by the building of the pyramids, including the clearing of forests for transportation and building materials. Over time, local agriculture and ecosystems may have been impacted by ecological changes brought about by such large-scale projects. For instance, massive limestone quarrying might have drastically changed the surrounding landscape, while rising wood demand might have resulted in deforestation. Scientists are worried about how these changes in the environment might have affected the sustainability practices of ancient Egyptian society, and whether they contributed to the eventual decline of agriculture or the depletion of resources. Comprehending the correlation between monumental architecture and environmental sustainability can yield significant insights for modern societies facing analogous problems. Number 5. Astronomical alignments. The pyramids show amazing alignments with stars and other celestial bodies, most notably their exact orientations toward the cardinal directions and prominent stars like Orion's belt and Sirius. This indicates that the ancient Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and probably used these alignments for religious purposes, as well as agricultural calendars based on seasonal variations determined by astronomical events. For scientists who study ancient cultures, the knowledge needed to achieve such precision without modern instruments is both impressive and intimidating. It raises important questions about how early humans understood their place in the universe and their ability to navigate using celestial references. This mastery of astronomy highlights humanity's long-standing fascination with the heavens while also challenging our presumptions about the advancement of technology and antiquity. Number 4. Theories of alien involvement. The pyramid's scale and intricacy have led some to speculate that extraterrestrials may have helped build them. Others contend that such achievements surpass what humans were capable of at the time without outside help. Although most academics reject this theory as pseudoscience based on an incorrect understanding of prehistoric abilities, its persistence throughout history is a reflection of ingrained concerns about human potential. This idea frustrates scientists because it both highlights our fascination with the unknown, which can be both fascinating and terrifying when considering humanity's place in history, and undermines the real accomplishments made by ancient civilizations. These theories divert attention from valid archaeological research by emphasizing speculative narratives devoid of empirical support rather than human ingenuity. Number 3. Historical chronology issues. Conflicting dates for the construction of some pyramids have been determined by radiocarbon dating techniques, which have resulted in differences in historical timelines created by archaeologists using artifacts discovered at excavation sites or textual references from later eras. For example, some estimates based on different interpretations of archaeological data or dating techniques applied over time across different studies suggest that some structures might be younger or older than previously thought. The lack of written records from earlier eras and the current arid climate in Egypt make it more difficult for historians to construct coherent narratives about the millennia-long development of ancient Egyptian civilization. These inconsistencies pose a challenge to historians attempting to do just that. When attempting to accurately piece together human history, researchers may find it intimidating to deal with the uncertainty surrounding historical chronology. Number 2. Potential for future discoveries. The advancement of technology, especially in fields such as archaeology, geology, and imaging, has led to a constant stream of new discoveries surrounding these iconic structures that cast doubt on long-held theories about their construction methods, purposes, and historical significance. Scientists are both excited and nervous about what more research may uncover because every new discovery has the potential to upend accepted theories about the history and culture of ancient Egypt. As they struggle with changing interpretations resulting from ongoing investigations into this fascinating period within human civilization, researchers are constantly on edge because they fear that our understanding could change dramatically. Number 1. Cultural significance and legacy. The pyramids are more than just amazing pieces of architecture. They are also enormous symbols of power relationships, religious convictions, and cultural identity in ancient Egypt. Their design is a reflection of intricate social values that are closely linked to ideas about death, the afterlife, and divine kingship, ideas that have persisted throughout history and continue to be relevant today. The profound significance of these monuments often overwhelms scientists studying them. Comprehending them necessitates grappling with intricately woven cultural narratives spanning millennia, which can inspire both reverence and fear of misinterpretation. This significant legacy imbues research endeavors with emotional resonance and a sense of urgency as scholars strive to gain clarity amidst enigmatic interpretations regarding the meanings of these magnificent structures left by vanished civilizations. To sum up, the Egyptian pyramids represent incredible feats of human ingenuity, but they also pose a number of problems and mysteries that still baffle scientists to this day. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.